The Asia market's done extremely well this year, and valuations aren't the bargain that we saw some months ago. But again, it's a matter of finding the individual companies, and I think it's very, very precarious to take a view on the market as a whole, because, of course, that's a collection of all sorts of businesses of different quality. We do find that we find companies where we think they've got very attractive returns, not just over the next few months, because really it's very difficult to forecast what will happen in the short term. But taking a longer-term 5-year view, then absolutely we think there are still opportunities in that space.
And what do you think of the Hong Kong market in terms of its potential to kind of play catch-up with what we've been seeing in A shares?
Well, the Hong Kong market's got a very, very different composition. There are many stocks in there which are older economy and which will be less geared to any particular uptick. But there are also stocks in Hong Kong, of course, which are themselves beneficiaries of geopolitical tension and noise and the shift of some capital back from the west to the east. So there are some very interesting stocks listed in Hong Kong, and there are some other stocks which are probably more stable. They offer yields that are attractive to income investors, but they're going to be less volatile than A shares, which is a good thing for some investors and is less attractive to others.
Mm-hmm. Anywhere else in the Asia region that looks attractive to you at this juncture?
Well, our Asian positions are always an outcome of our bottom-up stock selection, but we find in Indonesia we still find some stocks there which we think will be longer-term beneficiaries of the sorts of things which we like to talk about, which is long growth runways, low financial penetration, the market share gains that the higher quality companies are going to get because of this particular set of circumstances that we're living through. And I think that whether it's in Indonesia or in India, the phenomenon, the strong are going to emerge from difficult times stronger, is something which is very important to underscore. So in both of those markets, we find, for example, some very high quality financials names.